What's up, you guys? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Today we're just gonna be harvesting our broccoli. I don't want it to flower. We have several stalks, and we've been growing this from the little seed stars that we got from Southern States. Shout out to Lisa Lack. She took me to buy these. So you guys, I'm gonna use my little surgical tool, Skinny Boy Randy surgical. Thanks to Janine, my coworker, who gave me a gardening set. And as you can see, you guys, it's a fairly large stalk broccoli, and we're just gonna not germinate it. We're gonna go ahead and harvest it and see what we can get from it. And we're gonna leave the other ones on there. You see the other little sprouts? So we're gonna leave the other sprouts on there. And y'all, trying to record and do all this by myself is a job, y'all. I'm sorry, it's a job. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just, nope, you can't do it like that. We're gonna cut it. You got to cut it. You need to cut it. Your broccoli is way too high. You need to cut it. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so happy. My first stalk of broccoli that I've ever grown in my life. I have to kiss it. I've never grown broccoli before, but look, I have broccoli. So, yes, Skinny Boy Randy grew some broccoli for the first time. So let's go ahead and harvest the rest of our broccoli. I'm gonna get her. I'm just gonna get pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. And we're gonna come on over here. We have more broccoli, you guys. Look. Okay. And here we go. Chop. Chop, 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 chop. And here we go over here. You guys ready? Oh my God. Chop. Chop, 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 chop. And we got one more here. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, you guys. Look, we got some broccoli. We grew some broccoli for the first time, you guys. I know it's not a big harvest, but there's no such thing as a small harvest. Only small-minded people who think their harvest may be small. Your harvest is not small. Your harvest is huge. Whatever you get out of your harvest is huge. And I'm trying to hold the broccoli, y'all, and video at the same time. So, did I get everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I think I got it, y'all. I think I got everything, you guys. Look at our greenhouse over there. She's doing her thing. And I just want to come back in the house real quick and show you our first broccoli harvest. No, I need to put this in the light because she deserves her props. Okay, you guys. And there is our broccoli. Let's put her on something white so you can see it. Oh my goodness. I grew broccoli, y'all. I grew broccoli. Yeah. So excited. Thank you so much for watching. And you guys remember when I planted this? When I started my gardening over here at the new home. And there she is. That's our broccoli, you guys. It's just Skinny Boy Randy. I love you guys. Shout out to all of the victims in the Calabasas helicopter crash. I don't want to just say Kobe Bryant and his family, but everybody's family. Okay, I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff. You're the best.